Oh, so we have got a bunch of new wallets, and these wallets are actually from our friends over at ZITAHLI, and they have sent us some of their previous wallets before. And I have to say, we've reviewed a lot of different wallet styles here on the channel, but the ZITAHLI wallets, I have to say, their quality and even their price, like their price isn't bad at all for the quality that you and I can get from, their wallets. So I'm just bringing up their website here so you guys can take a look. Just so you know, they have like bags, wallets, card holders, all kinds of stuff. And as you can see right there, I think if you reload this, there's possibly a discount. I'm not 100% sure. Whatever. But, oh yeah, new arrivals up to 25% off. Shop now. That's excellent. But what we're here to talk about today is the world premiere. How exciting is that? World premiere of these two wallets. So these two wallets here are the Zeta, this one, as well as the Iota. Kind of groovy names, right? Kind of groovy names. And these are both, what I like about their wallets, again, I've shown a lot of my friends, and not a lot of them are super tech guys. And they're always like, oh yeah, just give me a nice traditional wallet. I just want a wallet. And I'm like, no, I get it, right? So sometimes what's been working for a billion years is still probably the best. Now this here, as you guys can see it, the Zeta, I'm going to call it Zeta. I'm going to call it Zeta, just like feta, Zeta. Men's wallet, genuine leather, RFID, men's wallet. That's probably the biggest thing nowadays. Even if you just like traditional styles of wallet, you have to have one with RFID, right? Because that's kind of protecting all that information in your wallet. 10 card slots, semi-open bill comp. The Zeta wallet is made from genuine leather, making it both waterproof and slim. Now, of course, it's waterproof, but things inside the wallet can still get wet, of course, right? It's, what does it say? Dedicated slots for cash and cards. It's perfect for everyday use. It also comes with 3 different colors and is exceptionally light, making it easy to carry. Sweet, right? Here's some features. You guys can go take a look here, or just head over to ZITAHLI's website. You guys can figure out all the information and see which wallets that are most appealing, I guess, to you. Now, the other one here they have after the Zeta, I'm saying Zeta, is the Iota. I like that name, Iota, right? Similar kind of style. They both have different colors too. So if color is a thing, I like this one because it has that red, orange, red, and blue, right? So it shows here red and orange. Oh, there, yeah, okay. I was like, they don't seem to be, but they are, okay. And that blue, I like that blue actually. It's funny because that blue there looks very blue. The blue on the wallet, not so blue. But I like this blue actually, I think, better. That really kind of like cloud blue is like a dusty blue. I like that. Same idea, right? RFID, 9 card slots. So not as many as the open one, as the other one, as the Zeta. What do we have for features? Oh, so that's funny because it says, we have to check with them. It says 9 card slots at the top, but down here it says 10 cards. Well, maybe that's, seems different, right? 9 card slots, 10 cards. So we'll reach out to ZITAHLI to just clarify which one of these maybe is right. And it could be that one of the slots, right, one of the spots up there can hold 2. That's also a possibility. Slim and light, RFID, which again important, large capacity. Oh, maybe that's it. It has a hidden card slot. Oh, maybe that's the deal. That's why 10 cards, but it has a hidden one. Oh, there we go. Waterproof, wear resistant, etc., etc. All right, so now what they're going to do is make me search for this supposed hidden slot. Okay, well, the bonus for all of us here, and again, just before we go on too much further, 49 bucks, right? 49 bucks, that's fantastic. So right off the bat, if you're looking at these, we have, they call it a semi-open wallet. One of the big things about that I find, because I have some other wallets that are non-traditional, I want to say, and it can take me a little time getting some of the cards out of certain spots. So this may be good. RFID, again, super important nowadays. It's kind of a must in wallets. You kind of have to have that. It says it has, I think you can see it in this picture, a pull tab. And I think that pull tab is so that you have quick access to your cards. And I don't know if it's to all the cards or just to one card. And if it's just to one card, this would be a card that you would have as your primary card, the card that you use the most. For me, it would be like my debit card, my bank card. So I can just, right? I'm at the store, pop, there you go. Right now, I'm like, pop, gotta dig through like 12, no, I don't want that many cards. 6 cards, maybe? Still, it's a pain in the butt. Slim, that's cool. I like that. Minimalist, that's nice. So you don't have this big bulky wallet. And then, of course, the last thing is it has, I'll say up to 10 cards, which is cool, right? So, first off, I'm gonna put this away. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this computer anymore. We're good. First and foremost, I have a bunch. Where are we here? We're somewhere over here. We have a bunch of their wallets. Okay, as you can see, I feel like the guy like moving these around. Like, where's the wallet? Well, they're all wallets. First off, this is how it comes. It does come in this kind of nice little bag, right? ZITAHLI. That's nice, right? ZITAHLI. Okay. And I do like to, it has these little, I don't know if, maybe it's important, but I do like that it has these little air seals so that it can breathe, right? It's not just stuck in there. Because you do, at least I find, you get stuff that comes that it's been sitting in a plastic bag for the last 4 months, and you get it, and it just, you're like, oh, it smells like plastic. I would think because of those tiny little air holes, that you're not going to get that. Now, the little box, this is the box here. Yes, again, ZITAHLI. It's tight. I'm gonna tell you that. It's tight. Now, you can take that as you will. Is that good? Is that bad? It's snug. You really gotta kind of give it a yank. But so be it. Now, we're gonna take a look at this one. I don't know which one this is because I haven't opened it. They all come with this little green thing here, which is micro pack, recyclable. Not sure. Cool. But it comes in this nice little bag. It's well presented. You know, you're spending, $50. You want a wallet that's presented to you nice. You get a nice little packaging. Maybe you're buying this for yourself. Maybe you're buying this as a gift. It don't matter. Oh, that is nice. This is the Iota, I believe. Yes, the Iota. I think so. I think this is the Iota. I should have kept the computer open, right? Anyways, this is, you get a little thing here, which is, I think that's just quality control. And you get this here, which is just again, piece of paper. Oh, I see. See right here? Ah, that's nice. So what happens is, I don't have a card down here. This is where, like, you can put a bunch of cards, and then this is that pull tab they were talking about. So this would go down here, and you'd pull this, which allows the cards to come up to the top. Yes? Yes. Before we finish the video, I am going to actually go get a card in my previous wallet and show you that. Maybe I can use this. This is their little ZITAHLI. You guys are seeing it here, right? Let's pretend that is the card. Is that going to go there? Is that going to go somewhere? Where does that pop out? Does it pop out here? It does. That's the hidden one. So you're, so it is like a single, right? You could probably put 2 cards in there actually. So primarily this is where you're going to kind of stick, you could stick cash in here, I would think too, right? Cash in there. You could stick cash in there if you fold it. Cards or cash on this side as well. Cards in here, especially like your driver's license or whatever like that. Or you're just like, you're, hey, FBI. I don't know who you are. But again, very well put together. And then you have that one card up there, which is the hidden card, because people are like, well, let me see your cards, because, they're all up on you. And you're like, there you go. There's my cards. But Okay, I'm down. That's sweet. I like that a lot, actually. And then you got this, right? And that's the red. That's the red. Make sure, like, I'm trying to make sure I show it to you in this camera, because this one's, for some reason, always shows color more accurate. And this one I color graded a little differently. So just kind of be aware of that. All right, I'm going to open up the rest of these. You don't need to sit around while I do that. And we'll take the different colors and we'll look at the Zeta, because I think this is the Iota. I think. We'll clarify. Hold on one sec. Okay, my friends, we are back at it. Back at it. We've got them all out here. So the big one here, for one, is like, this is the Iota. I think, personally, I kind of like the Iota, you know, with the way that it's designed. But it's all personal preference, 100%, right? And I'm going to say it without question. The color choice on all of them is actually really good. So this is that dusty blue, which again on the Iota, which super slick. I really like it, right? And there's that pull tab. Now it's weird. This is the only thing. So it's red, yes, with the red. It's red on all the other colors too, right? So just kind of be aware that pull tab's red. So I was kind of thinking that the pull tab color would be a similar color to the inside, you know? So this would also be blue, but it's not. So just be aware of that. The pull tab is red, no matter what it is, right? Pull tab is red. Same thing on this one. Yeah, red. Something to be aware of. Yes, but still, it's quite lovely, right? And there's that. So you're not putting, you know, your monies up top here like you would on a traditional wallet. Really, I'm guessing, you know, you would fold it and put it like in here, right? You'd fold it, pop it in there. That's kind of that half wallet. I think maybe they call it semi open wallet. They call it, right? That's going to be a card, but you know what? It's firm, which is nice. It's got some firmness to it, but it does have enough flex, because I have reviewed some wallets that are really stiff. Now, this one, of course, is going to be able to be broken in, but check those out. Yes, those are good looking. Those are good looking. I don't know. Which is, that red's really style. I have to say, I do like that red. That red's really nice, and I like this the actual color of red. It's a really deep red, which I am a fan of. I like a deep red. Now, these here. Where am I? These here. Is that camera sort of half straight? Sort of. Right? Straight enough. These are going to be the Zeta. Zeta is what I said I'd call it. And I'm going to do this one, because it's kind of I don't even know what color that is. It's like a bluey green. Now, this one also it doesn't have the cool, like, hidden spot on it, but it does have a spot here. So again, this one feels more traditional, a little bit more traditional. I think if you had like a card in here, for instance, the nice thing is you could slide it, right? This card is really slippery, so that wasn't the greatest example in the world, but you can, right, just give it some push there, because you can get your thumb in there, right? And especially if you have a card, for instance, whatever, your credit card, it's going to have like the numbers or whatever it is, they're raised, so you put that there, and then you get that extra grip, right? Pop. Okay, that's cool. So I do like the fact that it has that one. I think that's be a good spot for that. Also has the transparent one, again, for whatever, driver's license, ID, whatever it is. But this one definitely does feel like it has a bit more of that traditional, you know. But it also has, see here, a spot there. This one also feels, right? You got that kind of hidden spot back there. Yes, it's kind of hidey back there if you want a card in there so nobody can see it, because you'd be like, cards, you could have cards in here, you could have monies in here, you got a hidden card back there, right? Not quite as cool of a hidden card as the other one, but it has it, right? These ones don't have any openings up here. These don't open at all, okay? So again, money's in this spot, cards in this spot. This spot, you could easily put a couple cards in there for sure. You should be able to put a couple cards in this side. Again, your ID card here, some cards there, some cards there. This has got a bluey greeny type look to it, right? A bluey greeny type look. You guys can see that, right? Yeah, it's nice. And they are slim for sure. Like they're all slim. Even these ones, right? When you compare them, they're super thin. I can't speak well this morning. Yeah, I like that. And then you got someone who's like, I don't like all the color. Well, then you got this one, you know, with the black with the gray accent. That's super slick too. Or the one who wants a little bit more vibrancy in their life, a little bit more kapow. And I like that, you know what? It has the little Z on it for ZITAHLI. It's not like blatant in your face, but they just have the little Z, right? Which is nice. When the card's out, you know, that's kind of the only kind of emblem that they have on there, which I actually kind of like that, you know? Yeah, for the price, you know, I think these are coming in, I think it was like $50. That's a nice wallet. Both of them are really nice. Again, I think if you really like that traditional look with the RFID, of course, I would go, this is personal, right? I would go with with this one because it just feels, for some reason, everything's got that layout, right? Feels more of a traditional wallet without having the billfold up at the top here. Yes. If you want a little bit more spice in your life, just a little bit, you don't have to go crazy. Oh, this red one here, right? The Iota. This is, I think this one or this one. For me, yeah, those are slick, slickety-doo. And I like the fact that this red, for whatever reason, it just matches. It's kind of nice. That's nice as well. All right, my friends, there you go. This is the world premiere, because it's exciting. World premiere of the new ZITAHLI wallets. Voila. There you go. These are fantastic. They are excellent. I'm just moving them around because I can. Bang for a buck. If you're looking for a nice traditional wallet with RFID protection, leather. Doesn't matter if you're a man or woman. My daughter's gonna love one of these. She's down. She already saw them. She's like, I would be looking at one of those. So that's cool. Let me know what you guys think down below. And that's it for today. Head on over to ZITAHLI's website. I'll put links in the description. And take a look at their other gear as well. It's very cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, guys. This is the ZITAHLI Iota and the ZITAHLI Zeta. Yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.